Some of you might think you cracked the code by using ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Now, let me ask you this. How are those sales? We all want to sell more photos. That's a given, right? That's why we're here. Now, a lot of people will say that the way to do this is to take better photos. That makes sense. Better cameras, better lighting, better lenses, different editing styles. But the truth is, your photo could be amazing, the best of the best. And if no one finds it, it's never going to sell. And that all comes down to keywords. Yes, I know, the boring SEO tags, whatever. My name is Charles Wollertz, this is Wollertz Photography, and here we talk about all things photography, but always with a little bit of stock photography in mind. And in this video, we're gonna compare 4 methods side by side: ChatGPT, Google Gemini, IMS Studio and Vision, and I'll show you why understanding searchability is the real key to increasing your sales potential. Let's start with what most people would do today: use AI. I'll drop this photo here into ChatGPT or describe it, since 90% of the time the upload function doesn't want to function. But let's start with this photo. Let's see what it gave me. Okay, not bad, it's accurate. It gave me quite a few descriptive and variations of words. You know, some pretty creative ones. Let's try the same thing with Google Gemini. Very similar results. The results are fast, super precise, and it's free. You can easily copy these keywords, paste them into Lightroom, and call it a day. Now you can upload and do whatever you want to do. Great, huh? Here's the catch. Not all precise keywords are actually what's being searched for. And that's where a lot of photographers are losing sales or leaving money on the table without even realizing it. Now, let's go to IMS Studio. And I'm gonna take this same photo and upload it into IMS Vision a little bit later. Before I made this video, I reached out to the team and asked if that we're gonna improve anything. And no, this is not sponsored. I wanted to know if they were gonna improve it, because otherwise I wouldn't even make this video including them here. The thing with Vision is that I tried it 2 years ago and it sucked. I mean, it was fine. It's just that the content recognition wasn't that great. Now, the response was yes, they made some updates, but there's a huge update coming soon. Way better the recognition and all this stuff. In IMS Studio, you can organize your keywords by popularity. This is taking popular search results from every agency, whatever people are using to find your images, and it organizes them in that order. And it even gives you a color coding thing, so it makes it a lot easier to find. If nothing else, at least you can see what people are searching for. So that gives you a good idea of what's gonna sell. Now remember, IMS Studio is a tool made for stock photographers. And do you notice something here with these keywords? A lot of those fancy, detailed AI keywords don't even show up. Nobody's looking for them. They're precise, but they're not searchable. Now let's do another photo, something a little bit more difficult. Keep in mind that I'm using photos that are gonna be very difficult for AI to interpret. It's a test, it should be hard. Now with ChatGPT and Gemini, we get solid keywords. Easily, drag and drop, boom, here's your words. If you notice, both ChatGPT and Gemini gave me phrases or double words, a combination. I asked both of these AI tools, why? And they said, excellent question. That's one that pro stock photographers often wonder about too. And then it said, here's the reasoning. Stock sites like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock don't just look at individual words. They treat multi-word keyword phrases, in this case like gold panning or gold flakes, as a single search term. So including both kinds of multi-word phrases gives you the best reach. Okay, my thing is, if pro stock photographers are asking this question, is it really the best way? I would think that pro stock photographers, real people with years of experience, would have a good grasp on what they're doing and what's selling. And then there's the visual with IMS Studio, when you get all the color coding. The keywords searched by buyers. According to that, very few of these double words or phrases are being searched. So just to be clear, IMS Studio, IMS, you can purchase, I think it's 30, 35 bucks a year. I honestly can't remember how much, I think it's 35. And again, no, this is not sponsored, but there is a referral link below. So if you wanna check it out, use that link, I really appreciate it. IMS Studio helps you upload to multiple agencies from one place. It helps you organize, keyword, and tag your photos and stuff, even pre-select categories and submit to some of these agencies as well. It's not perfect, but it's a great help. It saves me hours a week. Now, IMS Vision is extra, $10 a month for 5,000 uploads a month. Most of us don't do that kind of upload, so if you just want to do the $325 a month, that's 50 bucks, 50 images a day. That's more than enough for most of us, and it works with IMS Studio. So Vision is separate, it's their AI keyworder and SEO magic thing. So from Studio, you can send the photos to Vision and it does the keywords and titles and description things if you want that. It's not great yet, but like I said earlier, they're working on a huge upgrade soon, whatever soon means. Right now, the descriptions aren't great and the keywords aren't much better than ChatGPT or Gemini. It thought that this image of the gold pan with gold in it was a bowl of food, organic grains, seeds, and stuff like that. So again, it's not perfect. Let's hope that this upgrade is actually huge. And again, remember, these are difficult images, lifestyle images and normal photos. It's way better. Who wants to shoot that? We're here to be different and to stand out, and so we can sell more photos. One more thing about ChatGPT and Gemini. I ran a few photos, did a few tests, and I asked for the best and most relevant keywords I could think of that would get my photos sold in sites like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock. It gave me double words and phrases. ChatGPT is worse. And when I asked, it explained that that was the way to sell more photos because buyers are searching for things like that. So then I asked for individual words to compare that to IMS Studio to get that visual representation. Single words sell more. There's no question about that. You can see it here visually. I didn't correct ChatGPT or Gemini, but then later I asked them both for the most sellable keywords out there for another photo. And this time it gave me all individual words. And then when I asked why, both of them said, I thought that's what you wanted. And I said, no, please give me the most sellable, single, double, I don't care, just give me the best words so I could sell the most of these photos. Whatever is gonna get my photos found, I don't care what it is. And this time they gave me a hybrid, some singles, some doubles. So these AI tools are telling you what they think you want to hear. AI lies and manipulates. I wonder where I learned that from. Let's go back to IMS Studio. It also has a free version that can help you keyword. It's IMS Keyworder. You type in 1 or 2 words that describe your photo and then a bunch of similar images appear. Now by clicking on the relevant similar images, it gives you keywords. You can click on those keywords and it adds them to your photo. It's great because this is included in a $35 annual fee, and it also tells you which words are popular so you can only select the ones that are more relevant and the ones that only apply to your photos. It's fast, it's visual, and it's designed for stock contributors. You can combine these methods as well, which is awesome. You can copy and paste from ChatGPT or Gemini and then delete the keywords that are not relevant. That way you're optimized. Those little differences can be the difference between 0 downloads and 50 downloads. Or you can just go old school and describe what's in your photo. I did this for more than 30,000 photos, all manually with no tools. Part of what I liked about stock photography is that you get to learn more about the subject you're photographing. And all you have to do to get these keywords is ask who, what, when, where, how, and why. Those questions will get you all 50 keywords easily. And the more you do it, the easier it gets. Think of it as exercises for your brain. But who wants to do this anymore? We're all about quick and efficient. So in this case, just go back to AI, copy and paste. It's faster, it's gotta be better, right? Bottom line is AI tools are amazing for speed and ideas, but tools like IMS Studio show you what's actually working and what's selling in the real world. What's selling? That's what we want, right? We want to sell more. ChatGPT gave me about 10% searchable keywords, and Gemini gave me about 60. Way better, but we're still leaving 40% on the table. That's a lot of money if you think about it. Vision, well, it's hit or miss, and it depends on the photo. With easy images, it's accurate and awesome, saves a lot of time. But with the gold panning photo, 0%. I didn't even know it was gold. If you combine AI with a little bit of research and patience, you can create a keyword list that's fast, accurate, and search proven. And that's how you increase your stock photography sales potential. So here's my new workflow. I type most of the keywords myself. I usually get about 30 or 40 by asking those questions. Then I go to IMS Studio and I use the free keywording tool. Then I find the last 10 or 20 keywords and polish everything up and organize them by searchability. Try it yourself. Upload a few of your photos, the ones that you already uploaded to stock agencies, to IMS Studio, and see which keywords are actually getting searched. It might change how you keyword forever. And if you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tool gave you the best results. I think we're all interested in this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.